Hello everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through an easy steps on how to download blockchain application on your iPhone. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Downloading blockchain application for your iPhone is quite simple. Make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data and tap Open App Store. In the search box at the top, type in blockchain and tap search at the bottom right. Once you find the application that says Blockchain Wallet by Bitcoin, which looks like this, tap on the download button in order to begin the downloading process for the app on your iPhone. Now wait until the application gets downloaded, which is a quick process depending upon the stability of your internet. Blockchain is a digital wallet which allows users to store, manage, and trade their cryptocurrencies. It allows individuals to store and transfer cryptocurrencies within the mobile application whenever and wherever they are. Once the application is installed and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap to launch the app open, and that's how you can easily download blockchain application for your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.